Tara lived in a small village with his wife Sugandha. He ran a small roadside eatery there. One day, Sugandha spoke to Tara. Listen, today the landlord Khemchand came asking for the money we owe. He said if we don't pay by this month, he will take our house.
That Chandu has made my life hell. Ever since we opened our eatery next to his, he's been poisoning our customers against us. And now Khemchand, he's also troubling us. Even though I told him I would repay him with interest next month. Our life is like hell these days.
Chandu is jealous because your food tastes better than his. His eatery isn't doing well anymore. I think that's why he's upset.
Anyways, leave all this. Tell me, did you feed Sanno and Dhanno?
Sanno and Dhanno were Tara's two beloved oxen. He loved them dearly.
Tomorrow I need to go to the city to buy supplies. We are out of spices too. I'll clean the truck first and then go to the eatery.
Saying this, Tara cleaned his truck nicely and Sanno Dhanno too, and then drove the truck to the eatery. Reaching there, Chandu noticed and said,
Oh wow, Tara, you have polished your truck like new. Going to the city for spices, I suppose. But remember, city spices are no match for village spices. So why to buy them?
Tara teasingly said to Chandu.
Chandu brother, if your spices were really better, your eatery would be more crowded than mine. Anyways, when business goes down, people say all sorts of nonsense. You have started acting too smart, Tara. I'm leaving now.
That night, after Tara shut his eatery and went home, Chandu came there and set it on fire. When Tara heard the news, it felt like the ground slipped beneath his feet. The next morning, Khemchand showed up at Tara's door.
I want money now. No more excuses. Sir, my eatery burned down last night. How can I arrange money so suddenly?
But Khemchand didn't listen to him. Since he was not able to pay the money, he takes over Tara's house. Now we have got nothing left except the truck. There is nothing left for us here. Let's go to the city. We'll earn something there, and till we find a place, we can sleep in this truck. Tara and Sugandha left for the city in their truck. But even in the city, Tara couldn't find any work.
Sugandha, it's been days, but I still haven't found a job. And now we are almost out of money too.
So what if we don't find work? Let's start something of our own. We'll use the little money we have left to set up a food stall.
But where will we open the eatery?
In the truck. We'll turn the truck into a moving food stall. People in the city will love something different like this.
You are right. I'll decorate the truck beautifully so that people feel drawn to it. Let me do this now.
Tara and Sugandha set up their eatery inside the truck. Soon, a gentleman and a foreign lady noticed it and came over to eat.
Oh wow, this is the first time I've seen an eatery in a truck. The food is absolutely amazing.
This village-style look is rare in the city. Your food and the desi look of the truck are just superb. And some more people start gathering around.
Oh wow, seeing this truck reminds me of my village. Sir, will your food taste like the food back home? Of course, sir.
Soon a crowd started forming at Tara and Sugandha's food truck. Within a few days, they earned so much that from this money, they could rent a small home. They kept moving their food truck from one location to another. One day, a hotel manager came to their truck.
Your truck is wonderful. And I have heard great reviews about your food as well. I have an offer. Come work at my hotel as a chef. I'll pay you well. So tell me fast. Are you willing to accept my offer? Don't think twice. This is a very good deal. Thank you, sir, for your offer. Let me say one thing. This truck is part of my life now. Whatever I am today, it is because of this truck. I can't leave it. I'm sorry, sir. It's rare to meet self-respecting people like you these days. It was a pleasure meeting you. All the best.
Saying this, the manager left. Tara and Sugandha continued to treat their truck with great love and care. Soon, their food truck became popular all over the city as the moving eatery truck, and with that, Tara and Sugandha's life turned into a happy and successful one.